Italy, a European country with a long Mediterranean coastline, has left a powerful mark on Western culture and cuisine. Its capital, Rome, is home to the Vatican as well as landmark art and ancient ruins. Venice, the city of canals. And Milan, Italy's fashion capital. Total population of Italy is 60.48 million. Italy is mainly mountainous, except for the Po Plain in the north, and runs from the Alps to the central Mediterranean Sea. There are two small independent states within peninsular Italy, the Vatican City in Rome, and the Republic of San Marino. The country's main economic sectors are tourism, fashion, engineering, chemicals, motor vehicles and food. Italy's northern regions are per capita amongst the richest in Europe. Venice, the capital of northern Italy's Veneto region, is built on more than 100 small islands in a lagoon in the Adriatic Sea. It has no roads, just canals, including the Grand Canal Thoroughfare, lined with Renaissance and Gothic palaces. One of the new seven wonders of the world. The Colosseum, also known as the Flavian Amphitheatre, is an oval amphitheatre in the center of the city of Rome, Italy. Built of concrete and sand, it is the largest amphitheatre ever built. The Colosseum could hold, it is estimated, between 50,000 and 80,000 spectators, having an average audience of some 65,000. It was used for gladiatorial contests and public spectacles. The Colosseum is also depicted on the Italian version of the 5-cent euro coin. Interesting facts about Italy. Rome is over 2,000 years old, founded in 753 BC. The Roman Empire, named after the city where it began, started in 27 BC, and ruled over much of Europe and parts of North Africa until 395 AD. After this, Italy was divided into many separate states. Italy's national day is called the Festa della Repubblica, celebrated on the 2nd of June. The national flag is green, white and red. The colors of the Italian flag represent hope, faith and charity. Tourists throw €1 million into the Trevi Fountain each year. Roughly 3,000 euros of change is thrown in the Trevi Fountain every day. That's £1 million a year. It is then collected and donated to charity. Italy has the most UNESCO sites in the world. The Sistine Chapel welcomes over 20,000 visitors per day. Painted by Michelangelo in 1512, the ceiling of the Sistine Chapel is one of the most famous monuments in the world. The Vatican City, in Rome, is the smallest country in the world at just 100 acres. The Vatican City is roughly 1/8 the size of New York's Central Park. Italy is the 5th most visited country in the world. You'll find over 1,500 lakes in Italy, from the famous names like Lake Garda and Lake Como to the lesser-known Lake Iseo in Lombardy. The country is dotted with charming bodies of water. Italy's highest mountain is Mont Blanc, rising 15,774 feet above sea level. Mont Blanc stands on the border between France and Italy. It's also the highest mountain in the Alps. The first thermometer was designed by Italian inventor Santorio. Santorio, Italy has the oldest population in Europe. The median age of Italians in 2019 is 46.3 years. Christopher Columbus was Italian. Although known the world over for his voyages of discovery to the Americas under the Spanish flag, Christopher Columbus was actually Italian. The explorer was born in Genoa in 1451. Italians invented eyeglasses. Although the exact date is not certain, it's thought the first pair of glasses with corrective lenses were made in the late 13th century. Pizza was invented in Naples in the late 18th century. Italians ate pasta as far back as the 4th century BC. 14 billion espressos are consumed in Italy each year. Over 20,000 Italians work as baristas, while the annual coffee consumption per household is 37 kg. Italy is largest wine producer in the world.